Do you want to know your sent email has been opened or not? And do you want to send and collect bulk emails and responses from your clients using Gmail? All these things for free? Then watch this video until the end. Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe my channel and let's get into the video. First of all, log on to your Gmail account and click on this side panel. We need to install two add-ons. One is for Gmail and another one is for spreadsheet. Click on this add-on, search for Yamm, that is yet another mail merge, and click on this and install it. I have already done. So this is the first add-on. Once if it is done, you can see this, and it will ask you to install add-on for spreadsheet over here. So click that one and install it. Now let's draft an email. Click on compose, and I'm gonna write hi, some text, and I'm gonna collect responses also. All right, and I need like yes, no, and maybe, these options, and you can type all these things and select this text called yes, only that one, and click here, insert link, and insert this link. I have given this link in the description box. This is same for all these three options like yes, no, maybe. Only these things you need to change. All right, okay, so you can see this and select no, and you need to select only the particular text. All right, click on the link and do the same and change these things. Okay, and maybe select and insert a link. If you want to add any attachments, please add here, and all these attachments will get sent to the recipients. Now we are going to send this email to bulk recipients, and we are going to collect responses also, and we are going to track whether they have opened this email or what. Okay, fine, let's leave this here in the drafts. Click on this and you just click on this start new mail merge. Click on start new mail merge. It will take you to new spreadsheet. First of all, check the add-on. Click on add-on and check this yet another mail merge got installed or what, and click on start mail merge. Either you can import the emails from your contacts or you can type your own. I'm gonna do add myself. So these are all the emails, and now I'm gonna add another email. Just mention the name of the recipient. So you can add n number of emails here and their names. If you want to greet the recipient with their name, so this is full name, right? You just mention, go to your drafts and you just mention like this, two open curly braces, just write full, the same thing you need to follow, name space name, and then two closed curly braces, right? If it is just name, you need to mention the same thing like just name. Now the next option is to send, and click on add-on, start mail merge. So it will check for the email IDs here. Once if it is there, it will take you to the next step. You can send 50 emails per day for free, and if you need more, then you need to purchase. Click on continue. Sender name is that you can mention any name here, like your company name, your institute name, whatever it is. And this is the template. Just now we have drafted an email, right? So you can see that. So draft your email with the subject and some proposal regarding. All right, and just go to your spreadsheet and refresh, and you can see that one here, which means that we are going to send this email to these two email IDs. All right, and these are the additional options, like if you want to add a personalized attachments, add with your drive folder. So this is about the polls. It is enabled because we have mentioned yes, no over there, right? Things. Go back and click on send. That's it. So it is processing. Yeah, and 2 emails sent, and the remaining is 42, and your track report is getting loaded here. And now it is going to show that, so here in the mail merge status email sent, opened is 0, closed 0, responded 0. Okay, all right. So now I'm gonna open my inbox. So this is what proposal. I'm gonna open this. So it comes with my name, right? And the attachment, I can see this. Let's check the status. So it got updated. Opened. Email is opened here. You can see this, and even here it is showing 50%. All right. And I'm gonna respond now. I'm gonna say no. So the response is recorded here. Let's check this. You see that Yamm poll, and it is no. Like this, you can send n number of emails to your clients, and you can track their status, and also you can collect bulk responses. So this is what about yet another mail merge. Hope you like this video, and I would like to hear you in the comment section. Thank you.